Welcome to a revolutionary dropshipping approach that's unlike any other. In the world of dropshipping, the toughest part is often finding customers and selling products. But what if I told you that you can make money without actually selling products yourself, all while keeping your profits? Sounds intriguing, right? Stick with me until the end to discover this new way of dropshipping. You might be wondering, can you really make money in dropshipping without selling products? The answer is a resounding yes. So, race the game changer. We'll pay others to sell our products to a highly targeted audience. And the best part is, you don't even need to interact with these sellers directly. Let's get started. 1. Begin by visiting the Digistore 24 website. This platform is where you'll find affiliates to promote your products. 2. Register on the Digistore 24 website using the same email you used to log into your Shopify account. 3. Log into your vendor account and click Continue. 4. Fill out the registration form and click Register for free now. 5. Check your Gmail account for an email from Digistore 24. Then click the link provided to log into your account. 6. Now, log into your Shopify account and head to the Apps section. Look for Digistore 24 and install it in your store. 7. The next step is to create an enticing offer for potential affiliates. If you need guidance on how to do this, there are helpful tutorials available on YouTube. This method allows you to tap into the power of affiliate marketing to promote and sell your products without the need for direct selling. It's a win-win for everyone involved, and it might just be the game changer you've been looking for in the world of dropshipping.